How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Redmi Buds 8 Lite right here. So to reset it, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that both of your earphones are on the actual charging case, and then you want to make the lid open. So just let it be open, and right after, you then want to press the power button for around 5 to 10 seconds. So from there, this light will then flash rapidly. So just go ahead and wait for it to stabilize, maybe after around, once again, 5 to 10 seconds. And after basically finishing the rapid flashing lights, it will indicate that the reset has been successful. So from there, you just want to close the lid back, open the lid back on, and from there, you then want to connect the earbuds on your devices. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.